Hey guys, välkommen tillbaka. Welcome back. So today we've got this gorgeous wig that I will be working with. As you can see, it's pretty long and I will just show you the packaging and where it's from. So today's video is kindly sponsored by Wiggins Hair. They provided me this gorgeous hair, which came with a satin bag as usual that has their logo on it, and you also get 2 wig caps and also some lashes. These are really nice actually. And you also get an edge brush and a satin scarf as well. This one's pretty nice, if I say so myself. And as you can see, I had already gone in and plucked and also just customized the wig to my liking, and that's what we got. And can you see that luster? Like, guys, this wig, yeah, so let's go into styling. So yes, I'll be using my curling wand, which I got from Amazon. I will try and link it down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. But yeah, so I just basically wrap it around the wand and let it sit there for a little bit and then just release. I'll just let you guys watch this as it is quite repetitive. I did basically take about 2.5 hours to 3 hours trying to get these curls. So yeah, enjoy. And if you saw me just saturating some oil, basically it's just my chi infused silk oil. I saturated on the hair before actually using the curling wand. But yeah, enjoy. So this is how it looks like after it's been wand curled, and I'm just using my hairspray. I used the bedhead hairspray, and also a got to be hairspray. I'm not so sure which one that is, but now I'm just combing it through with my wide tooth comb. And guys, can you see the luster? Can you see how amazing this looks? Like, oh, so pretty. So now let's go into the install. Hello, hi with my bald head. So I had already gone ahead and done the bald cap method. I'm just adding some foundation on it. And this lace, guys, this is a HD lace. As you can tell, it blends nicely and it is so nice. So this is a 13x6 HD lace. As you can see, you get quite a lot of space and you get 2 combs at the top and 1 at the bottom. So now I will just be using my scissors and just doing my regular install. So now I'm just cutting off my ear tabs, and as you can see, I didn't have much to cut because I actually got this in a size small, which is a 21.5 centimeters, and it fit me so much better. And yeah, so now you just see me parting out some hair, as I do have a low hairline, so this helps with the crown not being too forward. So as you can see, so much better. It's not literally too forward, which I don't like. So I like to kind of have my wigs lay as close to my hairline as possible. So yeah, now I'm just using my glue, and I only used 2 layers. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch this, as I have quite a few videos on how I install my wigs. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch this bit. Now I know y'all can see that. Can y'all see that blend? Can y'all see the blend? And what lace? Like Wiggins Hair, yeah. So I did go ahead and use the RRS spray to just further melt that lace, and it is amazing, guys. You definitely need that. So now I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace. As you can see, I had to literally lean forward because my mirror is just in front of me, and I'm just trying not to basically cut what I don't need to cut. So now I'm just adding further glue to some of the places that basically need more glue, and then just using the back of my rat tail comb and just pressing it down. And yeah, and I also used my edge brush to help press it down, and I ended up using some more spray, and yeah, it literally just melts like a dream. I know you can see that melt. I know you can see that melt, baby. So yeah, I just used my elastic band, and let's go into the baby hairs. So I had already done one side off camera because I always be fighting with these things. Oh god. But I'm slowly getting there. So yeah, so I just parted out there's the bits that I want, and then just cut off some, and now I'm just using my lot of body foaming mousse to further just swoop those baby hairs. And you will see me just basically using my edge brush, my scissors. So I'm just basically interchanging between those because there will be bits that will be too long, so I'll just go ahead and cut. And yeah, just so they both match, well, sort of match, and basically not too long because I do not really like long baby hairs. So yeah, I'll just let you guys watch this bit. And that's the baby hairs done, and I did pretty well. If I should say so myself. So now I'll just be using my elastic band just to further melt the lace in, and yeah, so we're just going into further styling. So I'll just basically rectify the parting, and then use my hot comb, and I also use my Care wax stick just to help lay the hair flat together with my hot comb. And yeah, so just enjoy watching this bit. Have the big reveal. Like, look at that melt. Look at that melt. This is amazing. Like, I cannot. This is amazing. So let me just give you a quick specs of the hair. So this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It's a HD lace frontal wig, and this is 26 inches long and also 250% density. And I tell you, this wig is thick from root to tip. Like, it is amazing. So I'll leave all the specs down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'll just let you enjoy. Can you see the luster, the shine? It just looks healthy. It just looks amazing. Like, I'm absolutely happy, and I definitely do recommend this wig. And that is all from me today. Thanks to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.